Hello and welcome sa YouTube channel ng megabytes.com.ph, and today we're going to check out this new device from Xiaomi, itong Xiaomi Watch S4 nila. So kaka-launch lang nito, and along with some new devices, and one of them, isang flagship phone nila is yung Xiaomi 15. So right now we're going to unbox and check ano yung mga laman ng contents ng box nila rito. As you can see, itong box nila is all full black, no? Yan, so matte black siya. Then on the top cover, you have an image of the watch. So syempre yung branding and model name, logo. Sides is yung mga key features nila, no? On the sides, you have the certification marks. And at the back, more specifications for the products and mga company info. So now let's open the box. So once you open the box, you already see yung kanilang watch. So once you remove itong watch, you also have the other included accessories. So one of them is yung user manual. So next is you have this magnetic charging dock nila. It uses a USB-A cable. So I have a 2-pin magnetic dock. So next is the watch. For the color options natin, we have 3. So we have the silver, black, and rainbow color variant. So itong rainbow color variant natin features a vibrant and multicolored accents matching from the bezels down to the straps niya. So ang purpose ito is for an eye-catching aesthetics, syempre for those na gustong stand out yung kanilang watch. So next, yung adjustable strap naman nila is made of fluoro rubber and nylon. Look closely, yan yung mga accents. Iba-iba yung color nitong mga thread. So itong strap, ang length niya is around 135 meter to 210, which is a good fit for all wide range of wrist sizes natin. One unique key highlights of this watch is yung interchangeable bezels niya. So as you can see, itong bezels, pwede siyang matanggal. I-twist lang natin, yan, twist. So natatanggal siya. So you can also easily put it back dun sa watch and ganun, snap lang siya. Aside dun sa 3 available colorway, no, you have 5 available Xiaomi Watch S4 bezel and strap kit designs. So with the blue gray, pine green, midnight carbon, festive orange, and liquid silver. So may isa tayong sample dito. This is one of the strap and bezel kit na binigyan kami para matry dito sa new Xiaomi Watch S4. Ayan, so you have a white strap and itong parang silver na bezels niya. So you just have to remove this. So ikot niya lang ganon. So nag-alert din siya, no, para sinasabi niya na natanggal yung bezel. So itong bagong silver bezel natin, kailangan naka-align itong orange na marker dun sa ibabaw. So i-align mo lang siya. Yan. Once you align mo na, so clockwise, yan, so na-detect na niya. Then, you have yung pinaka watch face design nung liquid silver. Lahat naman to madali lang palitan talaga. And kakabit ngayon natin tong puti. So from the color variant natin, from the bezels and down to the straps, napalitan na natin siya nitong liquid silver. So ganun lang siya kadali. Now the whole body case of the Xiaomi S4 is made of aluminum alloy and it weighs 44.5 grams. So hindi naman siya ganun kabigat. So one major improvement for the Xiaomi Watch S4 is itong rotating crown nila. So pwede siyang i-click. Ngayon, dahil may rotating crown ka, mas maganda at mabilis. Mas madaling ikutin. Ayan. So you can easily select kung ano yung gusto mong watch face. And click. So aside dun, you still have itong single button. No? So once you click on the single button na to, it will access yung other shortcut menus mo. So nandun na rin yung settings. Now at the bottom of the watch, you have the sensors and the magnetic pins for charging. And dun sa sides niya, you have a speaker and microphone. 2 microphones on the sides. And the Xiaomi Watch S4 has a 580 water resistance rating, so withstanding water pressure up to 50 meters deep. So in general, in terms of the design, the Watch S4 is very elegant and durable. And plus, you have these customization options kung gusto mong palitan yung bezel o yung strap. Now for the display, so you have a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen with a 466 by 466 resolution and 326 ppi pixel density with 60 Hz refresh rate. And in terms of peak brightness, mas mataas na siya ngayon compare dati na 600 nits. Itong Xiaomi Watch S4 ngayon is nasa 1,500 up to 2,200 nits. So kahit outdoor mo siya gamitin, makikita mo pa rin yung display. And itong mga watch face nga, dahil pwede mo siyang i-customize, no? Mamimili ka ng gusto mo watch face. So Xiaomi has over 200 available designs na watch faces. So another unique feature dun sa watch face natin is pwede kang mag-custom ng image dun sa watch face mo. So through the Mi Fitness app, pwede kang mag-edit. So but for this review, meron na kaming nagawang custom na watch face. So ito yun. So pag tinap mo, yan. So pwede mo ilagay yung photo ng family mo, kaya meron kang favorite pet mo, ganun, pwede mo ilagay dyan. Or anything na image na gusto mong ilagay, palitan dun sa design. So pwede mo na rin siyang i-customize. So in terms of the display naman, sobrang vibrant and sharp siya. So pag nasa outdoor ka, makikita mo pa rin yung mga details, yung time, lalo na yung mga iba pang kailangan mo needed stats. Now, in terms of the OS ngayon nitong bagong Xiaomi Watch S4 natin, it is now using the latest HyperOS 2.0. And itong watch is compatible with Android 8.0 or later or iOS 4.0 later. So with the quick gestures, you can have it rotate yung wrist to reject calls. You can also shake yung wrist to open the weather or snap yung fingers to take photo. But you can also customize din kung ano yung gusto mong type of command dun sa quick gestures mo. Now for connectivity, you have Bluetooth 5.3 and it uses a satellite position system powered by a dual-band GNSS, ideal for tracking activities on a smartwatch. Now the Xiaomi Watch S4 features 150 sport modes that you can find with a wide variety of sports and exercise activities, which include walking, outdoor sports, training sessions, ball games, and even board or card games. Meron dito sa may workout app niya. Now for better outdoor workout tracking, the Xiaomi Watch S4 has dual frequency GNSS to give accurate location data on the watch for workout activities such as walking, running, and cycling. So with the dual frequency GNSS, it helps map routes and measures distance correctly. Now if you want to monitor your overall well-being, the Xiaomi Watch S4 offers several health tracking features. It includes 7 health monitoring apps such as breathing exercise, vitality score, stress, SpO2, heart rate, and sleep. The heart rate sensor has been slightly improved with Xiaomi claiming a monitoring accuracy of 98%. The Xiaomi Watch S4 also features a checkup app. It's a one-tap health insights tool that generates a quick health assessment report in about 60 seconds. So it's a quick overview of key health metrics including SpO2, heart rate, stress, and sleep, offering a convenient snapshot of essential health data when you need it. Some of the useful apps that I like on this new Xiaomi Watch S4 is the Bluetooth calling. So with the built-in microphone and speaker, the watch allows Bluetooth calling that lets you talk to a caller instantly without using yung smartphone mo. So far, okay naman siya and naririnig mo rin naman yung tao through dito sa speaker niya. Next is yung camera, so wherein pwede ko siyang gamitin na sa trigger, and yung weather, so para malaman ko rin kung ano yung panahon ngayon. And I have also the music control. So, kunyari, binuksan ko yung Spotify, so pwede ko siyang kontrolin through the phone kung gusto ko yung next song, previous song. And you also have like a handy flashlight. And lastly is recorder. So, kung may kailangan ka i-record, kunyari, may naisip ka, may naalala ka, so you can record it here and play it later. Now, to charge the Xiaomi Watch S4, so ito yung inyong 2-pin magnetic dock. So, you just have to dock yung likod nito, papunta doon, and magnet naman siya. Ayan, snap siya agad dun. Ayan. So far, malakas naman yung magnet niya. And you can just lay it flat on the table and let it charge. So overall, the Xiaomi Watch S4 is elegant, customizable, and smart that delivers impressive features at a budget-friendly price for a flagship smartwatch. Now, the price for the Xiaomi Watch S4 will be priced at $7,799 for colors black and silver, but for the rainbow color, it's priced at $8,299. And you can now purchase it in all Xiaomi authorized offline stores nationwide and authorized resellers and official online e-commerce partners on Shopee and Lazada.